My guy's back there shotgunning a Celsius at 10 o'clock in the morning. It's officially SEMA day 3. I'm starting to lose my mind. I've been in Vegas for almost a week trying to keep the energy up for you guys. Ray, always first one up here.
What's up, guys?
Mav, always the first one up here. I feel like I'm always second. Been here for almost a week. And I'm Vegas is kicking my ass, but we're keeping the energy up.
Half because remember I'm 4'9".
Yeah. Let's get this bread, right? Maybe? Hold on. I can't. The lighting's bad out here. What are you trying to do to me this morning? I don't think I put you in a video yet. Tell the people who you are.
Maverick _ 0328.
Maverick
from Texas.
_ 0328 from Texas.
Repping
the legendary Mav.
Shadow of the Alamo.
She's trying to fuck me up on the filter on her phone right now. I'm not having it.
Look cute.
Not having it. Not today.
Look cute. So now you know I
maybe tomorrow. Not today. She's leaving today, so maybe. KG1 didn't have a booth out here, so I had to settle for.
Here we go.
I'm just messing with you. Look, Chris has always shown love to me from day one, and I had to come stop by the booth. Looks absolutely beautiful. They got an inside booth and an outside booth.
Yes, sir.
And I just want to show love. That's it.
I appreciate it.
Just want to show love. Saw this one the other day, and I want to come by and see it again because I didn't get a chance to put it in the video last time. 2024 all color matched gray with what looks like almost probably 13 to 15. It would have to be at least 15-inch Fittipaldi lift. You got the bodyguard bumpers in the front, that really nice black and red Wicked kit all the way around. Still independent front suspension, 30-inch Fittipaldis sitting in the Venom booth today. Shout out to Venom. They did an absolutely beautiful job. One of the things that I wanted to look at with this Wicked kit is the rear of the truck, and they keep the leaf springs with a shackle, kind of like FTS does on some of their like 12, 13, 15-inch lifts. It's not until you get a little bit bigger that you go different, but that black and red and gray combination is beautiful. It really is. 2024 Wicked 30s, 42s. Let me know what you guys think. FTS kit. Red and white.
Me and Bill and Jeff, we took it like a car. That was the time we were going.
I think it's huge. I don't know. Never a bad way to start the day, to come outside early in the morning. Weather's real nice. And to see Papi's new 20-inch independent front suspension Denali 2500 kit sitting on 30s. It's just a great way to start the day, you know what I mean? Great way to start the day. This first gen on JTXs over here is freaking nice too. Big 10 lug in the front, dually in the rear. Two-tone is beautiful, full frame off, green and tan. Saw this one yesterday, wanted to make sure to get it in the video. This one's really nice, really nice.
I don't know if you want to split up and meet up later.
I'll walk around with you. Why not?
For JTX. I'm gonna take care of this.
A couple of cool ones out here. First time outside the West Hall today. We're gonna take a look at some of the trucks outside of the West Hall. We've been out here at night before because we've got a couple of Papi's trucks over here, but haven't been out here during the daytime, so it'll be cool to see some of the stuff that's out here during the day. We got this really nice Wicked suspension, a Denali 2024 Denali, all orange and blue, absolutely beautiful. 30-inch TIS wheels with the Furies. Orange and blue Wicked. Really nice front compression struts, big torsion drop, and then your rear traction bars in the back. Color matched axles, drive shaft. Love the wrap on this. That orange is super bright. Super bright. Rob with True Horsepower did this side-by-side on the 30-inch Fittipaldis. Turned out really nice. He's got a really like sparkly wrap on it. You don't get to see side-by-sides this big too often. That's really cool. This is one that I really wanted to see as well. Joey finished this one up. Shout out to the guys from Out Front Customs for knocking this one out with this beautiful shocker yellow steel body build. Got the 20-inch Papi's kit, color matched everything. They even powder coated the springs on the carbon shocks. This color is crazy on this lift. 4-link front and rear, 20-inch Papi's Cradle. Like I said, you got your triple bypass, carbon coilovers, powder-coated chrome all the way around with the Papi's accent pieces up top. Trusses front and rear, color matched calipers, diff covers, painted drive shafts. They did a killer job on this truck. 30-inch maxed forged wheels, color matched inside barrel, bodyguard bumpers front and rear, true horsepower hood stack. This truck is absolutely beautiful. They did a great job on this one. The color came out perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let me know what you guys think. We just did a Mcgaughys kit at the shop with this color, and it looked really good. But seeing this color with the polished faceplates on the front is stupid clean. I love the way that one turned out. And then this is the other Papi's 20-inch independent front suspension. Now, obviously, there's some things that need to be dialed in on this kit, but I just wanted to show you guys the proof of concept. Rear is definitely the better side of this truck currently. Front needs to be adjusted as far as the coilovers. Faceplate Cradle in the center. Rear 4-link, carbon coilovers all the way around. A must-have on something this big. 30x16s and 42s, and obviously there's some adjustments that need to be made to the front. But the proof of concept is here, and you can see it in person. I think the truck overall turned out really good. Just need to fix a couple things on the front end and ride into the sunset. Let me know what you guys think. I think this truck, color-wise, actually turned out really good as well. The gray, black, and orange went really well together, but that shocker yellow, you just can't beat. The very similar build to the steel body. Lewis and Laz at LG&D finished this one up as well. This one's a good 20+ inches as well. Big, huge, I don't even know what color this is, but this one, again, just as clean of a build in my opinion. You got your beautiful, beautiful color matched blue powder coat all the way around. I don't even know what color it is, to be honest. 20+ inch Papi's Cradle in the center, 4-link front and rear, carbon coilovers all the way around. I feel like I'm getting repetitive with these because I see a trend here. See a trend. Trusses front and rear. Powder coat looks great. Blue color's beautiful. Polished faceplates on them all the way around. 28-inch American Forces with the boggers. Frame plates. Ooh, trip and fall. Kind of like what PJ was saying in the last video, how he believes that purple truck sitting in front of the South Hall is the perfect size and stance for what a truck should be, and I believe this one is very similar. Black Blvd F250, 28s, boggers, 20 to 25, somewhere in there inch lift. It's a just absolutely goated look and setup for a truck like this, and I love it. I really do. The American Forces look good. Boggers obviously are backwards, which can be fixed. I don't know why everybody has such a big issue with that, but I think the truck looks really, really good. Let me know what you guys like better. Are you guys digging the blue color better, or are you digging the shocker yellow on that Papi's kit over there better? Let me know. Here's from North Idaho, and I just want to show love to him, and I'm assuming maybe your friends have seen some of the videos too, maybe?
Yeah, oh yeah,
so we can document the moment. He's a fan of the channel, has been watching for a couple years, and just in front of God and everybody, I appreciate you for watching the videos. It means the world to me. I know that y'all probably see me tell everybody that all the time, but it really does. Hello.
No, it's nice meeting you in person, that's for sure.
So I appreciate you watching the videos, so we can have this moment in SEMA history until the end of time, and it really does mean the world to me, so I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice to meet you.
ITOBA.
You like that?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Look at this. KG1.
KG1s. Non-floaters. Oh no.
Why does this not spin?
Oh no.
Come on, KG1s.
Come on.
Come on, bro.
Still looks good though. Shout out to Sony for watching the videos, and I guess really what I should say is shout out to Sony's wife for allowing him to watch the videos, because it means the world to me, and you guys are the reason why I get to wake up and do stuff like this. I mean, I've been doing YouTube 5 years now, October, so last month, and it just blows my mind that I'm able to do things like this, so I appreciate you.
Inspire me, man.
Just to put you in the video, you'll have your moment in time on the YouTube channel, and you'll forever be able to go back and watch it, and I'll put it in the video.
This guy kills it. Kills it.
Has the red dot?
Wait, you're against the light.
I'm against the light?
Yeah.
Oh god. Alright guys, so I'm taking over today, alright? Alex is busy, he's doing some things. It is SEMA, everyone is busy, everyone is stressing. So today, you're coming all with me. Let's do it.
Let's start off with a fit check real quick.
Oh,
what we got going on here?
Alright, so obviously the Dolphins are playing the Patriots. They already whooped their ass. They haven't yet, but obviously they're going to, I mean, Dolphins, let's be honest. We got the GOAT, you know, the cheetah. Alright, we got the Dunks, they're dirty. Don't look at them. Don't worry, I'll buy new ones soon. And we out.
We out.
Oh wait, hold on with me. Here we go, we're back. Alright, so we're going to eat at the Hash House. Never mind, don't put that in. So guys, if you know about the Hear Me Out, there's another Hear Me Out that's about to come and play right now. We are at a famous Starbucks, alright, and we're about to get some crazy Vegas drink, and might do a Hear Me Out video. We'll see. If it's good, if it's different, I got you, y'all. Damn, Daniel, back at it again with the white vans. Oh! Alright guys, so actually, just a regular, basic white girl drink. Alright, it's a matcha. Sheesh, wait, I forgot. Okay, 1 second. It's not even written on it. It is. It's a matcha, a chai latte with matcha and sugar-free vanilla. Don't be judging. Sometimes I want to be a white basic girl. Okay? Thank you. Fire. I'm horrible at the angle of the cameras. Don't roast me. I'm still new about it. Okay? Take it easy. Okay, I'm sorry. Take it easy in the comment sections, alright?
And we outside with it, you know what it is.
I can't even say anything, man.
Fins gang.
Let's go, Dolphins. Let's go. We whooped some ass today. Let me tell you about that, yo.
Yo, you see the score, bro? You see the score?
Go back and watch the score for the Dolphins against the Patriots.
If you like the content, leave the comments and subscribe down below.
Toma.
That's not good.
Dan Marino. Let me see. Where is it? Right here. Dan Marino. Dan Marino. The GOAT.
What's up, guys? So this is officially day 1 in Vegas. It's actually day 2 for Alex and Sammy. Alex is working on some great content for you guys. Sammy and I are about to go out into the city. We're gonna enjoy Vegas. Like I said, it's day 1. Alex is back at the hotel. We're gonna meet with him later. We might go get the boys some Chick-fil-A.
Alright guys, so over here we got tacos el something. I don't know, bro. I don't read cursive.
We're gonna get ourselves a michelada way.
Michelada way, cabrón. No.
We're gonna get ourselves a michelada way. Shout out to my boy back. We outside with it, Vegas. We came here because my homegirl Lizzie said we're gonna come get some tacos el paso.
What happened?
Orlando.
No, he already got his.
Orlando.
Alright guys, we're all sitting over here to a look. Everybody got some tacos, everybody got some burritos. Look at this, my boy over here is about to go down on it.
Alright, so today's food review on Thatwide.bowtie's channel. We got some burritos, we got some tacos like Sammy said. I'm gonna dig into the tacos really good and I'm gonna rate it. Same way Alex rates the tacos.
Got Gary over here.
Alex, you missed out. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. Nice little spot, good vibes. 10 out of 10.
Esas cosas 8.
Twice a year we cut the Cradle. 2 weddings we go to a year.
shitter in about 10 minutes.
It ain't Taco Bell though.
Drop the, what was the saying yesterday? Drop the,
Hey, it's a pleasure to have my boy Alex back on IG.
Toma!
Oh, man.
Am I right? Yeah, alright, I'm recording, go.
Yo, why do you take so long to run the camera?
Because it's not showing me on the
Listen,
screen.
listen.
Look at this shit. Wait.
Listen, hear me out.
Alright, here we go.
Hear me out. We're walking the strip, and Lewis already started complaining because there's a 20-minute walk. Dude, the weather's amazing. I don't get this weather in Dade County. Of course we're gonna walk. What do you think, Sammy?
Listen, I don't mind walking. The weather's amazing. We walked last night. We had to put that in. Yo.
Look, hey, all I gotta say is fins up. I got Dan the Man. My boy got the Cheetah, Tyreek Hill. You already know what it is. You know the vibe.
Lewis over here with a broken f***ing toe. We made him walk. We said,
You guys are
not taking
dickheads.
taxi.
You guys are f***ing dickheads. I lost my f***ing nail. You guys are making me walk with a f***ing toe. Dickhead kicked me on my foot.
Ño. Woo. Que culito clase, papo. You know what time it is, alright? Wait, let's wait when there's a little bit more people. And I'm gonna get you to let me get a Hoya, alright? I'll be back.
Can I get a Hoya? You better post that shit.
Oh, yeah. Tanny.
We sold a bunch of shit. I kept telling him, I need money.
Oh man, it's chilling.
Oh, people were... I think Sammy's getting this up to his head.